Yes, please get ready for a dictation of part 2 of Prime Minister's address to the nation on economic package. 5 seconds. Start. Friends, this magnificent building of self-reliant India will stand on 5 pillars. First pillar is economy, an economy that brings quantum jump rather than incremental change. Second pillar is infrastructure, an infrastructure that became the identity of modern India. Third pillar is our system, a system that is driven by technology which can fulfill the dreams of the 21st century, a system not based on the policy of the past century. Fourth pillar is our demography. Our vibrant demography is our strength in the world's largest democracy, our source of energy for self-reliant India. The fifth pillar is demand. The cycle of demand and supply chain in our economy is the strength that needs to be harnessed to its full potential. In order to increase demand in the country and to meet this demand, every stakeholder in our supply chain needs to be empowered. We will strengthen our supply chain, our supply system, built up with the smell of the soil and the sweat of our laborers. Friends, amidst the corona crisis, I am announcing today a special economic package with a new resolution. This economic package will serve as an important link in the Self-Reliant India campaign, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Friends, in the recent past economic announcements made by the government related to the coronavirus crisis, which were the decisions of the Reserve Bank, the economic package that is being announced today, if added, comes to around rupees 20 lakh crores. This package is about 10% of India's gross domestic product. With this, various sections of the country and those linked to economic system will get support and strength of 20 lakh crore rupees. This package will give a new impetus to the development journey of the country in 2020 and a new direction to the Self-Reliant India campaign. In order to prove the resolve of a self-reliant India, land, labor, liquidity and laws all have been emphasized in this package. This economic package is for our cottage industry, home industry, our small-scale industry, our micro, small and medium enterprises, and which is a source of livelihood for millions of people, which is the strong foundation of our resolve for a self-reliant India. This economic package is for that laborers of the country, for the farmers of the country who are working day and night, for the countrymen in every situation, every season. This economic package is for the middle class of our country, which pays taxes honestly and contributes to the development of the country. This economic package is for Indian standard industries, which are determined to give a boost to the economic potential of India. Starting tomorrow, over the next few days, the Finance Minister will give you detailed information about this economic package inspired by the Self-Reliant India campaign. Friends, it is now imperative for the country to move forward with the commitment of bold reforms to create a self-reliant India. You have also experienced that as a result of the reforms over the past 6 years, today, even in this time of crisis, India's systems have looked more efficient. Otherwise, who could have thought that the money sent by Government of India will reach directly in the pocket of the poor farmer? But it has happened. That also happened when all the government offices were closed, The means of transport were shut down. Now the scope of the reforms has to be broadened, giving a new height. These reforms will be in the entire supply chain related to farming, so that the farmer is also empowered and will have minimal impact on agriculture in any other crisis like corona in future. These reforms will be for rational tax system, simple and clear rules of law, good infrastructure, capable and competent human resources, and building strong financial system. These reforms will encourage business, attract investment, and strengthen our resolve for Make in India. Friends, self-reliance is possible only through inner strength and self-belief. Self-reliance also prepares the country for a tough competition in the global supply chain. And today it is the need of the hour that India should play a big role in the global supply chain. Realizing this, many provisions have also been made in the economic package. This will increase the efficiency of all sectors and also ensure quality. Friends, this crisis is so big that the biggest systems have been shaken. However, under these circumstances, the country has also seen the resolve and restraint of our poor brothers and sisters, especially the street vendors, hawkers, laborers, those who are working in homes. They have done a lot of penance. During this time, they have sacrificed a lot. Now, it is our duty to make them strong, to take some big steps for their financial requirements. Keeping this in mind, be it poor laborers, migrant laborers, cattle rearers, be our fishermen, organized sector or unorganized sector, some important decisions will be announced in the economic package for every section. Friends, the corona crisis has also explained to us the importance of local manufacturing, local market, and local supply chain. In times of crisis, this local has fulfilled our demand. This local has saved us. Local is not just the need, it is our responsibility also. Time has taught us that we must make the local as a mantra of our life. The global brands you feel today were sometimes also very local like this. But when people started using them, started promoting them, branding them, proud of them, they became global from local products. Therefore, from today, every Indian has to become vocal for their local, not only to buy local products, but also to promote them proudly. I am confident that our country can do this. Your efforts have increased my reverence for you every time. I recollect one thing with pride. When I requested you and the nation to buy khadi and said it will be a great support to our handloom workers. Today, the demand and sales of both khadi and handloom have reached record levels in a very short time. Not only that, you also made it a big brand. It was a very small effort, but the result was very good. Stop.